how to make money online, how to start a successful business online. Hi guys, I'm Cecilia Alice Wollin from cleareyedentrepreneur.com. In this video I'm going to talk about how you as a solopreneur can start a successful business online right now. In order to successfully make money online, you have to be very clear on what you want to be known for. Make it easy for your audience to understand who you are and how you have become an expert in your field. In my younger years, I studied literature, languages, economics and marketing at Stockholm University and Stockholm School of Economics, resulting in top grades and a degree of Master of Arts in Literature and a degree of Master of Education. I started working as a teacher, journalist, writer, novelist, and that's what I still do today. Recently I started a YouTube channel, a free Facebook group and a Facebook page. A side hustle I enjoy very much and which gives me the freedom to combine all my interests. I have also started a publishing house and I have written and published a novel which got very fine reviews in the major newspapers in Sweden. What kind of audience will you attract? And who is your perfect customer? Come up with good business ideas. Be generous to your audience. What is your message and what are you offering? Define your brand and define your ideal audience. Build a story around your brand. I have named my current business Clear-Eyed Entrepreneur. The idea behind Clear-Eyed Entrepreneur is to encourage clear-eyed entrepreneurship and to make every day bright, happy, easy and more entrepreneurial. Sell solutions to problems. Figure out a big problem your audience have. Find a problem you can solve better than anyone else for your audience. Find a field where you can be an expert and establish an online presence. Establish your voice as an expert in your field. You can create and sell your own products. It's good to have multiple streams of income. You can have a membership site. You can sell ebooks and books. You can sell online courses. You can sell workbooks. This is one of my first videos in a series about how we can start successful businesses online. So make sure to subscribe and you're welcome to write a comment below. See you in the next video.